In the fast-paced world of the pharmaceutical industry, staying ahead is key. But how can companies efficiently manage their complex operations while ensuring compliance and maintaining profitability? Introducing SAP Business One for the pharmaceutical industry, the comprehensive solution designed to streamline your business processes, enhance traceability, and optimize productivity. With SAP Business One, you can gain real-time visibility into your inventory, ensuring that critical medications and supplies are always available when needed. Track each batch from production to distribution, guaranteeing compliance and patient safety. Make informed decisions with ease, leveraging powerful analytics and reporting tools. Identify bottlenecks, optimize production schedules, and gain actionable insights into your operations, enabling you to drive efficiency and reduce costs. Boost productivity with mobile access to critical information. Empower your workforce to collaborate efficiently, whether they are in the lab, on the go, or working remotely. SAP Business One keeps your team connected and aligned. Don't let inefficiencies hold you back. Take your pharmaceutical business to new heights with SAP Business One. Streamline your operations, ensure compliance, and unlock your true potential. Visit our website or contact us today to schedule a personalized demo. SAP Business One, empowering your pharmaceutical success.